Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your copy and paste or Control C and Control V networking in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is you need to bring up your File Explorer. Okay, so now that you are here, you need to proceed to this PC. And there you can see your local disk. Just double tap that to open. And the moment you've opened it, you will be able to see different folders. You need to go with Windows, just double tap that. And here you need to scroll down and look for System 32. Okay, I can see it here next to System. Double tap that once again. And here you need to use the search toolbar. And here you need to type RDP clip. Okay, so once you have typed it, wait until a results would appear. Okay. So once you have typed it, actually you will be able to see a different options. Here you need to go with RDP clip, which is in Windows and System 32 located. Just have to do a right click here once you have selected it, and here you need to go with run as administrator. Okay, so your user account control will you to say yes, just go with yes so that you'll be able to proceed. Once you're done, close this window, and here you need to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, try copy and pasting. Okay, unless if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our second step, which is here the start icon. You need to do a right click, scroll up, and go with settings. Okay, so now that you have opened your settings, proceed to the left side of your screen where you can see an option called System. Click on it, and here you need to scroll down and look for Clipboard. Okay, so now that it's here, just have to tap that to continue, or you can simply double tap. Okay, so now that you are here at the clipboard option, you need to go with clear clipboard data. Pinned items won't be removed on this device. Just have to clear all the clipboard data. And once it is being grayed out, meaning that you have just successfully cleared it all, just have to close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. Unless if it doesn't, then we will bound to our last step, which is here at the bottom search bar. Please type CMD, and here the best match command prompt system would appear. Go with run as administrator. So your user account control will ask you to say yes the moment you click on it. Just have to type SFC here, space /scan now. Again, in this window, you need to type for SFC space /scan now and then click on enter. So this will do system scanning, and this will fix all the issues, the problems that you have encountered, like copy and pasting networking in your Windows or computer. Just have to wait until the verification will be completed, okay? Just have to leave this command prompt window open and don't turn off your computer. Okay, so once you are done with the verification or the system scanning, just have to restart your computer. Okay, so once you have restarted your computer and you really relaunch your computer again, just have to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.